Make your own pizza night has become one of our family's favorite nights of the week. I've got everything ready to make 4 personal pizzas. My kiddos are excited to play with some dough, so join us for a little weeknight pizza party by the pool. I've always believed that kids should always be involved in the cooking of the home, learning how to have their hands on cooking homemade meals and having fun doing so. This way they grow up to love to feed their families themselves and to feed me when I'm older. The pizza oven has become one of our favorite accessories in this house. We use it so often, and pizza night really has become so inexpensive for us. We went from spending $25 for a good pizza pie to just dollars, and we get to make our own and get creative, which is fun for the kids because it gives them the opportunity to try new ingredients if they see them out in front of themselves. The DeLallo pizza dough kit is a personal favorite. For under $5, I make 4 pizza pies. I mix these up the night before. I've got fresh mozzarella that I shredded last night to save me some time as well, and all of my favorite toppings. A family favorite, which is Don Pepino's pizza sauce. The Don Pepino's is especially good because they use those Jersey fresh tomatoes, which makes this sauce so delicious, and it's always so inexpensive too. I prepped all my toppings using ingredients that I had on hand for the family to pick from. My pizza oven is heating up and we've got to move fast because we have another thunderstorm ready to hit us. My son Cam is up first. He's been having so much fun learning how to make pizzas. We dust our surface with a little flour so we can stretch out our dough. And then with a little semolina, we get it onto our pizza peel, and Cam actually reminded me to do a few pricks with our fork. This just helps to prevent any air bubbles while it's in the pizza oven. He also loves this Don Pepino sauce, lots of cheese for his.
I think I'm ready to try some olives.
And for the first time ever, went with those black olives. A simple man he is, but after 2 to 3 minutes, he is done and he's happy as a pig in mud. My daughter Kira is up next, getting a little fun with some pepperoni and some fresh basil that we grew. I'm so happy that she shares my love for garlic. So garlic powder on hers, and in a minute or two, hers is done. Now for my husband, who likes it extra saucy when it's Don Pepino. Oregano, bell pepper, olives. He goes for the sweet sausage, then cheese on top, then extra meat, because of course, is there a man out there that doesn't want extra meat? And of course, the largest pie possible. So I stretch his dough right before launching to get him the biggest pizza pie I can, which also then creates a super thin crispy crust just like he likes it. And in a few minutes he's enjoying his. He actually said this was his favorite pizza in a long time, so I'm happy. But I honestly think that using raw sausage torn into small pieces and allowing it to cook with your pizza versus using pre-cooked sausage is what just adds so much more flavor to a pizza pie. Now I load mine up using that hot sausage and some pepperoncinis, allowing mine to go a tad bit longer because y'all know I love my pizza crust well done, which I'm sure there's some of you guys watching who would agree that the well done pizza is where it's at. I finished mine with fresh basil, and literally in under 20 minutes, each one of us has made and enjoyed our very own personal pizza pies for just dollars. This dough is always so thin, crispy and crunchy, good. But you can also make it so that it's a thick crust pizza. Now, if you've tried these DeLallo pizza kits and you love them just as much as I do, let me know down below. Or if you have a pizza dough recipe that you just swear by and think I should try it, I'd love to use your recipe for our next pizza party. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you guys for another recipe next week.